Hi everyone, my name is Norman Lapido from base in Battery, group 5. So for today's exercises, it is a part of the head, which is the neck rotation. So neck rotation exercises offers various benefits such as reducing neck pain and improving flexibility and relieving tension and stress. These exercises are beneficial for individuals of all fitness level and can help the neck stiffening. So let's start. So let's do it slowly. Ready? Okay. Done. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Thank you.
I'm Kathleen Jessica Grant from BSA 13. Neck bend.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Lassie G. At ang dynamic exercise natin is torso stretch. This torso stretch, yung focus itong stretch na to is yung dito. Yung muscles natin dito sa may waist natin. Yung dynamic exercise na torso stretch. So, ang starting position natin is torso stretch. Is nakapo. Tapos yung kamay natin, wala ba? Ito na ulo. Nakagano. Tapos, sa batok. Tapos after natin pagdalagin yung position natin, mag-start na mag-bend sa kanan siya pa kanila. Mag-1, 2, 3. Yung bilang natin is 1, 2, 3. That's how we do the torso stretch.
Okay, hello everyone. Today we're making dynamic exercise for the torso. This part of the body. Ang tawag sa exercise ito is torso twist or yung magagat. Okay. Ang first step natin ay ganyan. Ganito ka muna. Yan. I-twist mo na yung torso mo. Okay. 1. Tapos, ang second step is balik. Gawin mo. Balik. Balik sa dating position. And repeat. Tapos ang third step pala ay ganyan. Kapag 1, 2, 3. Sa right side naman. Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. Tari. All together na. 1, 2, 3. Make sure nyo na natitwist na talaga ito. Ito. Gagawin. Diba?
Hi, I'm Mariel Adam and I will demonstrate the lower body exercise, which is squat. First thing you need to do is lower your body like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Bend over.
I am Charmaine Grace Donaway from BS1 and I'm from group 5 and I will be explaining the lunge exercise. Lunge exercise increase your lower body strength. So they help you to strengthen your body. They help you burn calories. Sa balance naman is to have a strong and stable core. Flexibility, increase your hip flexibility. Lunge exercises help you correct muscle imbalance. So tutulungan ka niya kung paano yung proper weighing. And also, lunge exercises may boost your metabolism. Tapos ganun yung gagawin sa akin. Bend. Also bend your back.